Welcome to Learn Haitian Creole Like a Newborn, to speak it like a native. Today we're going to do the alphabet. We'll do it with the letters and the sounds that they make, because Haitian Creole uses a phonemic alphabet, so the sounds are very important to you. Here we go. A, B, C, H, D, E, N, E, F, G, H, J, I, K, L, M, N, G, O, On, U, UN, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Now let's do the sounds, which is what we use when we read it. A, B, Sh, D, E, N, E, F, G, J, I, L, M, N, Ng, O, On, U, Un, R, S, T, V, W, Y, Z. That's all we have for you today. Just review those sounds, and Haitian Creole will be very easy and straightforward to read, understand. Good luck. Thank you.